What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Tuesday, April 22nd, and here we are back at Costco with another great video. Easter's over, Patriots Day's over, and the Boston Marathon is also over. Party's over, back to work. For those of you who don't know, Patriots Day is a special holiday here in Massachusetts that does celebrate the battles of Lexington and Concord. Those were the first battles of the American Revolutionary War in 1775. So for today's video, we do have the flash deals for the week. Let's get on with it. And starting the video off from Samsung, we have the Galaxy Smartwatch 7. Now we have two different sizes available. We have the 40mm and we also have the 44mm. Now these smartwatches do include two fast chargers and they do come with a 2-year warranty as well. Now you have the power to call, text, take pictures, even play music right from your wrist. Now I do like how it comes with a 2-year warranty. Also, we have the cream available and we even have the green watch available. Now the 40mm, you can pick it up for $209.99. Moving down to my right, we have the 44mm at $239.99. And we might as well show the Samsung S9 tablet because that's on sale as well. $130 off the price, $419.99. In the number 2 spot, let's go over this Wagner paint set. Once again, 18 pieces in total. Now this set is pretty amazing at this price point. You get the paint tray, you get the paint liners, you get a 4-inch roller, you get a 9-inch roller, plenty of replacement rollers here. You also get plenty of paint brushes as well, which is great. You get these angle brushes, and check out that price, $4 off the price, bringing it down to $15.99. In the number 3 spot, we have the Deluxe Memory Foam Seat Cushions. Now, the reviews on these are pretty good. A few complaints that it does go flat pretty quickly. These are designed to provide relief to your lower back, your tailbone, and your hips. Pretty nice ergonomic comfort design here. It does provide support, has a nice non-slip backing, and it's washable, which is nice, the fabric is. You can use it in your car, your home, or your office, and check out that price drop. $7 off the price, bringing it down to $27.99. In the number 4 spot from Yankee Candle, we have their Car Jar Ultimate Multi-Pack. These are their air fresheners, and they do come in a 5 count here. Now, 5 different scents. We have the Bahama Breeze, we have the Midnight Summer, the Pink Sands, the Vanilla Cupcake, and we also have the Iceberry Lemonade. Up to 30 days of fragrance per each cup. Now, check out this price. They are giving us a good price, $2 off, bringing it down to $7.99. And I did get a couple of reviews asking me about laptops. If you are in the market for an inexpensive one, this was pretty good from Dell. We have their 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop, has an AMD Ryzen 7 in it, 16 gigs of RAM with a 512 gig solid-state hard drive. They're giving us $200 off the price. Not bad at all. Decent reviews. It's touchscreen, full HD at 1920 by 1080p. Now this is what you want if you do want an inexpensive laptop. Here it is. It does have Windows 11 preloaded for $399.99. And if you do love Costco clearance, don't forget to watch my last clearance video. I'll leave a link at the end of this video so you can watch it. We have a bunch of Apple products on clearance. Now, right in front of us from Jerry, we have the men's shoes available on clearance here at Costco.com, their online store. We have the black and we have brown available. Plenty of colors. These are slip-on style. What a great price. Now, these also qualify for the mix and match where you could potentially save $20 additional or even $50 if you do buy more. So definitely head over to Costco.com and check these out. In the number 7 spot from LG, we have their 32-inch ultra-fine IPS monitor. Now here at Costco, this is probably one of my favorite monitors you can buy here. It's a fantastic price, especially when it goes on sale. It's 3840 by 2160 resolution, so it is a 4K monitor, 60 Hz refresh rate with a 5 millisecond response time. This monitor is pretty awesome, especially at this price point. You're not going to beat it. Has amazing reviews online. It does have a display port, $40 off the price, bringing it down to $259.99. And moving on to the number 8 spot, we finally have the Pergola on sale here at Costco. 8.9 feet by 14.4 feet, and it does look pretty amazing in person. I love the beautiful modern design. Now, I'm supposed to be filming the pergola, but for some reason, my mind is telling me to film this dining table. Now, it does come with a hefty price tag, so keep that in mind. But if we look up, we're going to look at the adjustable louvers right in front of us. Now, you can open these all the way up, or you can close them completely, so it's completely covered, which is great. Now, it is quite expensive because it does have an integrated gutter system, which is very cool. It's 100% powder coated aluminum construction, you can see there, so it is super lightweight as well. Now, it does have that modern design, so you don't see any fasteners, which is another great feature of this product. Here it is, $400 off the price, bringing it down to $1,599.99. In the number 10 spot from Homedics, we have their fragrance diffuser. Now this diffuser does include 3 bottles of oil. You have the mandarin and basil, you have the Miami sunset, and it does come with the vanilla cedarwood that has a nice clean, natural, waterless aroma, and it's app control, which a lot of people love. You can personalize your scent intensity, the light control, and timer settings, which a lot of people love. Now today, we're getting $20 off the price, bringing it down to $79.99. You can pick it up for the same price as Costco online. In the number 11 spot, here we are at a different Costco now. I did have to head over to Sharon, Massachusetts to film this greenhouse. They were the only ones who had this on display, and it does look pretty awesome in person. So the greenhouse is 6.7 feet by 7.6 feet, 100% FSC certified wood, has double wall polycarbonated windows. It's also heat sensitive, which is pretty cool, has an automatic roof vent that opens and maintains temperature and humidity as well. Pretty awesome. Now it is 9.5 feet tall, and I do love the design and build of it. Smells absolutely amazing inside. Now keep in mind, friends, here at the warehouse, this is $200 off the price, bringing it down to $1,199.99. For $100 more, you can have it shipped to your front door. So that may be an option for those of you who don't have it at your local warehouse. But here we can also see the star in the top right corner. So if you have it at your local warehouse, maybe you want to wait a couple more weeks to see if it actually drops on clearance. In the number 12 spot, this time from Graco, we have their Forever. Now this is their 4-in-1 car seat, their Extend to Fit, the DLX model. Now pretty nice car seat here, amazing reviews online, has a 4-position adjustable extension panel, also has a steel reinforcement frame, exactly what you want, and a 6-position recline. Now you can see there it does have that Simply Safe adjustable harness, and it does have 2 integrated cup holders, even though they're not connected to the car seat at the moment on display, but $60 off the price, amazing price at $199.99. In the number 13 spot from Simple Human, we have their 58-liter dual compartment step can, 2 different compartments, one for trash, one for recycle. It does have an innovative liner pocket that stores and dispenses liners. You can see there the metal rim on the outside that grips the liners and keeps it hidden. Has a beautiful soft close design, as you can see. Now it does also have a coating on it that resists fingerprints and germs as well. Check out this price, $20 off the price tag, bringing it down to $79.99. In the number 14 spot, this time from Vitamix, we have their Pro Blender. It has that self-detect technology, and it does have 10 variable speeds, which is pretty awesome. Has a pulse feature and a digital timer. Now, what's included in the set? You get the tamper, you get the recipe book, and you get a 10-year full warranty. Pretty awesome. And now it does have a pretty great design to it. It has a nice 64-ounce low-profile container, has 2.2 horsepower motor, and that's 1,500 watts. Pretty powerful. Now here at Costco, you can pick it up here for $299.99. If you do want another color option, they have a slate option at Costco online. In the number 15 spot, this time from Kohler, pretty amazing deal here. Now this is from actually Costco's coupon book. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you watch it at the end of this one. We have so many great deals. I do put out about 3 videos a week at a minimum. So right in front of us from Kohler, we have their hand shower, 1.7 gallons per minute. Pretty awesome hand shower at a great price. Now, if you are looking for other color options besides the brushed nickel, you can head over to Costco.com. A little bit more money, but they have 4 other color options there, $34.99. In the number 16 spot, back on sale again, we have the very popular, these are the cotton woven loop poofs. Now these poofs do look pretty awesome in person. We have 2 different colors. We have the dark gray and we also have the cream. Now it's 100% cotton on the bottom of it. The tops and sides are 53% cotton with a 47% polyester blend. Now the texture on it, those little loops, those are little chunky loop textures. Now what I don't like about these poofs is those little loops, they come apart and they start sticking out everywhere, and it doesn't make the poof look nice anymore. So I'm going to return mine. I didn't like it. $11 off the price, $41.99. In the number 17 spot from Osteo Biplex, we have their triple strength. Now, I've taken this product a bunch of times throughout my life, and I feel like it definitely helps. I've had my fair share of knee injuries, meniscus tears to ACL to MCL. I've taken this, and just within 7 days, just like they claim, I feel like it helped a lot. That's just me personally. The pills are massive, so keep that in mind. So that's a downfall. $6 off the price, bringing it down to $19.99. A little shout out to my doctor, Dr. McKeon. And taking a walk through the jewelry case, look what we have. We got the Citizen Echo Dive. This is their Pro Master Air stainless steel watch. It's a quartz watch. Check out that price drop, a nice $60 discount. I do love the design of this watch, pretty awesome. $60 off, $229.99. Moving on to my left, we have a couple of pieces of jewelry. We have the flowering earrings right here, made in Italy. Look at that discount, $40 off the price, bringing it down to $179.99. To my left, we also have a nice little bracelet right here, also made in Italy. It's 9.5 inches. It's made in Italy. Check it out. $80 off the price, $299.99. And right up top, we have the Versace watch for the ladies. It's a two-tone watch, also a quartz movement, $125 off the price tag. That looks pretty awesome as well. Check out that price once again, $474.99. In the number 19 spot, look what I found at my local Costco. We have the Bayside sofa table set. Here it is on display. I haven't seen this in such a long time. Well, not a long time, like a month. $80 off the price, $319.99. That's a Bayside Lathan. It's a 4-piece occasional set here. It comes with the 3 bar stools. The table has an outlet on the side. It's from Bayside. I'm not too sure what it's doing here. Maybe they had some extra in the stock in the back room. They brought it out, but here it is on display. If you have this at your local Costco, leave us a comment below. Let us know. From Bayside, $319.99. In the number 20 spot from Dyson, we have a new purifier from them. This is their cool TP11. Now this purifier does come with a replacement filter, which is great because these filters can get pretty pricey. Now it does automatically sense and display in real time the air quality in your home, which is an excellent feature. Also has 4 different modes, and it does project 76 gallons per second of airflow, which is pretty amazing. It oscillates 350 degrees, not 60, 350 degrees, and you get the 2 filters like I mentioned. You can pick it up here for $349.99, $369.99 at Costco online. In the number 21 spot, this time once again from DPS, the gaming chair is back on sale again, $20 discount. Now usually all you see here at Costco is the gray and the black. If you want the all white version, you got to head over to Costco.com. You can pick it up there. Spins pretty nicely, as you can see, $129.99 on sale. Pretty nice chair. If you like the all white version, you got to head over to Costco.com to grab that there, $129.99. In the number 22 spot, this time from DeWalt, we have their 24-inch heavy-duty drum fan. Now we've seen its little brother, the little benchtop fan. Here we're looking at the big brother. It has an all-metal housing, low noise at only 6 decibels. You can see there how big it is at 24 inches. Check out the tires as well. Nice features here. Now it does have an adjustable tilt and a 5-year warranty, which is pretty great. You can pick it up for $30 off the price today, bringing it down to $99.99. And moving on to the number 23 spot, this time we have everyone's favorite. We have the Oreo cookie ice cream sandwiches. Now these do look amazing. We do get a 24 count here. Now let's check out these macros as usual. 220 calories per sandwich, 37 grams of carbs, 17 grams of added sugar, and 3 grams of protein. Today they're giving us $5 off a box, bringing the price down to $14.89. And my favorite fan from Costco, we have the very popular Wuzu. This is another one from Costco's coupon book. If you want me to make a video of the top best deals from Costco's coupon book before it does expire, leave a comment below. I'll do that. This is the Wuzu 5-speed globe fan, 353 square feet does cover, which is pretty awesome. It oscillates up and down, left and right, all 4 ways, has a remote, 5 different speeds. I love this fan, $28.99. And I did want to show you the Johnny Pops very quickly. Now we do get 18 pops per box. These are organic pops. These are the rainbow fruit pops. Now keep in mind, friends, these pops do have a lot of sugar. 13 grams of sugar per pop, 50 calories per pop. And today they're taking $3.50 off the pops, bringing it down to $8.99. In the number 26 spot, we do have another product from Costco's coupon book. We're looking at the Guild, their pull down kitchen faucet. Now this faucet does have a 3-function spray head, and it's pretty similar to the Bevan that we saw a couple of months ago that was on clearance. If you do have that at your local warehouse, check out the price. It may be a great buy. Now we've seen the Bevan drop in price, I think down to about $69. Here you can pick this one up, $40 off the price, $119.99. Alright friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We are a new channel, so we do need all the support we can get. We put out 3 to 4 videos a week, and we are doing a giveaway, so don't forget about our giveaway. Link will be in the comment section. Link will be in the description. Just click that link to enter the giveaway. Follow the directions from there. We're giving away a free NutriBullet Ultra Deluxe single serve blender. That's a great giveaway. Now remember friends, we are a new channel, so we do need all the support we can get. So if you want to support us even further, all we ask is for that thumbs up button, like, comment, and share if possible. If you have Instagram, you can go ahead and follow us over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas. Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy Easter. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Peace.